Great.
Great.
I think a few years ago, in fact, Sam had invited me to Wellinker for precisely this. And I think Wellinker is one of the institutions with, and I know Symbiosis and SIBM and also XIC does a lot of this stuff. They invite a lot of clients and companies into the colleges to close the gap between what the student expects and what the corporate expects. Sometimes the gap is so big. It's a great question, Deepa, because you might be doing a course and you think, okay, we are living in this beautiful, nice little cocoon, and I've got these 3 chapters on media and 4 chapters on communications and 5 chapters on sustainability, and you do some kind of corporate work, etc. But what the company is expecting you is totally different sometimes. Like they expect you to come and say, oh my God, you are the best corporate com person ever born on the face of the earth, right? So like you said, every client and every company wants gods to join them. And it's very difficult to find jobs straight out of college. Constant interaction with company executives, and need not be a very top hotshot guy. It can just be somebody at the middle management level who can come and talk to you and engage with you without a PowerPoint presentation as to what his function is all about. Ask him questions, whether it is from he's from operations, he's from technical side, he's from IT, he's from marketing, he's from he's from corporate affairs. Try and get from your college as many people and say, what do you expect us to do from the media and entertainment and corporate communication point of view, and what do you expect us to deliver, and what are the behavior that you need to see from us? What is the kind of arms that I will bring in to the college? So I think there is something that you need to get more interactive with corporates, and only then you will see that there's a huge amount of gaps that will be closed. But like I said earlier, only when you join an agency, join a company, and the best learning is on the job, Deepa. The best learning will be on the job, because you will see not one, and I can tell you, corporate communication and PR agencies are very complex in the sense our jobs are not easy. Maybe as compared to an HR or a marketing, I'm not saying that their jobs are easier, but because we fight and we deal with multiple situations on an hourly basis, right? So say morning you're working on some issues, at 11 o'clock you're working as a press release which has to go out. At 4 o'clock there is something totally different that has come up in some crisis with your say community and protests is happening there. Or there is some news that has come up from international saying, oh, we just realized that this is what is the group doing. So you're constantly looking at variety of issues, and you will learn on the job. But expectations are what? I'll go back to just one thing: the passion to work for the brand. Do not feel bad about whether you know everything or you don't know anything. Doesn't matter. Like Sam said, I'm still learning. Just yesterday, I was learning some stuff on what's happening with the US and China trade post-COVID is over. And it's mind-boggling. I didn't know that. And there are all kinds of WhatsApp. WhatsApp is the most fake industry, as you know, that we keep getting. But when you read these articles, you realize, oh my God, you still don't know anything. So don't worry about the expectation too much. They want you to be passionate. They want you to be highly committed to what you are doing. And you are willing to learn. That is enough. Whatever you've done in your 3 years and your post-graduation or without post-graduation, it'll carry you through.
Yeah. So Paresh so rightly said, in fact, the initial days of business schools and colleges working just with companies where we would to do some research kind of work are over now. It's, as you said, it's more regular and frequent interactions that will be needed, and technology is going to help that. As colleges like Wellinker and the other players come in the picture to work closely with companies, I think companies also can now integrate with our learning management systems and
Correct.
give online internships or work which is meaningful. So that level of integration will happen, and there are many faculty members which I can see on the on the panel, the list today, and I think they will also echo the same sentiments that areas where now technology has taught us how to work remotely. So companies and academia will work together. In fact, at Yanko, we are creating content. So we are working with Dentsu now. So we are creating very meaningful. So if digital marketing has maybe 10 aspects, search, content, social media, we are pre-creating content from the best guys like you who are speaking there for 2 hours, 3 hours, and this is licensed content going for students at a very low price or no price. But then that is one level which at Yanko we are working, but I think it's a closer integration.
I have a team of 40, 50 people now, and it's growing every year. And I still think that some of the team members who with orientation. So I'm going to come back to you and say that how can we have a reorientation of corporate comm teams, brand custodian teams with the latest trends, new age media trends, and come to Wellington or go to Symbiosis or wherever and do a 2-week with you, in house, so that they also kind of, because every day that we work, we are then back to work and then we're kind of learning on the job. But I think some orientation is very important. So even corporate comm teams need orientation all the time.
Yes, because we come up with a lot of innovations on creativity, design thinking areas, which a company may get it after some time, but this is going on as research in most of the good colleges today.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.